Experiencing issues connecting your Tesla app to your vehicle? You're not alone. As of December 2025, many Tesla owners face mobile access problems due to several reasons. These include issues with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or cellular data connections, as well as authentication failures with Tesla's cloud servers. Outdated app versions, vehicle firmware mismatches, and even regional network outages can also cause connectivity disruptions. We'll guide you through the troubleshooting steps. Before diving deep, try these quick fixes. First, force close and restart the Tesla app. Next, toggle airplane mode on your phone to reset network connections. Ensure your Tesla is awake by using the keycard or fob. Check your phone's internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular data. These simple steps often resolve temporary glitches. If problems persist, move on to more advanced solutions. The Tesla app relies on Bluetooth for short-range control within about 30 feet of the vehicle. This allows direct communication for features like unlocking doors or starting the climate control when you're nearby. Wi-Fi enables home network integration for seamless connectivity when your Tesla is parked at home. The vehicle connects to your Wi-Fi network for updates, streaming, and app synchronization. Make sure your Tesla is connected to a stable network and that the password is entered correctly. Cellular data provides remote access from anywhere, using the vehicle's SIM card to connect to your carrier's network. This allows features like remote start or climate control even when you're not near the vehicle. Check for carrier outages in your area and ensure the SIM has an active data plan. If connectivity issues persist, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. This can help isolate whether the problem is with one specific connection type. You can also check the vehicle's touchscreen for connection status and settings. Login failures in the Tesla app often stem from expired authentication tokens or account lockouts. These tokens are secure OAuth credentials that expire after a period of time or when account security changes. First, ensure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Tesla account. Double-check your login credentials for typos or capitalization errors. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. This sends a verification email to your registered address, allowing you to create a new secure password. Clear the app's cache and data to remove corrupted credentials. This resets the login state and can resolve issues caused by stored bad authentication data. Be careful, as this will log you out. If issues persist after these steps, contact Tesla support to verify your account status and security settings. They can check for account lockouts or expired tokens on their end. Sometimes the problem lies with the Tesla's infotainment system. This central computer controls most vehicle functions and app connectivity. To reboot the system, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously. Keep holding until the touchscreen display turns completely black, which indicates the system is restarting. This clears temporary glitches without affecting your settings. Next, check for available firmware updates on your touchscreen. Navigate to the Software section in your vehicle's Settings menu. This will show if any updates are available to download and install. Outdated firmware is a common cause of connectivity issues. Tesla regularly releases updates that fix bugs, improve stability, and enhance app communication. Running old software can prevent proper synchronization between your phone and vehicle. For the best update experience, make sure your Tesla is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This allows for faster download speeds compared to using cellular data and reduces the risk of interrupted installations during the update process. Tesla encourages updating firmware through the mobile app for automatic issue resolution. The app can detect compatibility problems and guide you through the update process, often fixing connectivity issues without manual intervention. For tech-savvy users, Tesla's diagnostic mode offers deeper insights into vehicle systems. Access it by entering a specific code on the touchscreen. Consult online forums for the latest codes, as they change regularly. This mode allows you to check ECU logs, which show engine control unit data like RPM, lambda, map, and TP over time. It also displays network status for connectivity diagnostics. In diagnostic mode, you can view detailed Wi-Fi diagnostics, including SSID, IP addresses, and connection improvement tips. This helps troubleshoot network issues affecting app connectivity. You can also access Vehicle Diagnostics Overview, including Sentry Mode event reports and general system health checks. Navigate through various controls, charging settings, and software options to access diagnostic features. Be cautious, as altering settings in diagnostic mode can void your warranty. Only make changes if you're experienced. This is useful to check ECU logs and diagnose persistent connectivity issues that basic troubleshooting can't resolve. Many Tesla owners have found solutions through online forums and communities. One Reddit user fixed app disconnection during a road trip by switching to LTE tethering from a secondary device during an AT&T outage. Another owner in Europe fixed login issues by resetting the vehicle's internet settings via the touchscreen. These community-driven solutions often provide practical alternatives to costly dealer visits. Tesla is actively working to improve app connectivity through AI-driven diagnostics and over-the-air updates. Experts predict fully autonomous app features by 2027, leveraging 6G networks for near-instantaneous access. However, cybersecurity risks are increasing, necessitating encrypted end-to-end connections. Stay updated with Tesla's software releases and security patches to minimize connectivity issues. Tech reviewers recommend users maintain offline backups for critical functions.